Childhood Dream, and that's a wonderful title. It's a whole collection from my friends at Hunky Dory. This is the cover sheet, and in addition, it's going to show you lots of ideas. So that's really nice, front side and back side. Now let me get inside and show you what's going on. There are over 100 foil die cuts. And again, Childhood Dream is just perfect. So you can see the kids playing in the water as it's raining, pals going out, girls having fun together. And so you get the topper, or you get two of them, and then you get the foiled Adorable Scoreable. You'll notice everything is the A4 size, so it's a generous 8.5 by 11. And then you get a printed one. So let's go to the next one. So this is about Fun and Games is the title. So kids playing soccer, playing leapfrog, doing a little bit of golfing. And here is the foiled Adorable Scoreable. And here is the printed doing that leapfrog. Here we have some kids just enjoying time. This is called Hugs and Kisses. What I love about Hunky Dory, well, there are many things, but what I really appreciate is that they do some nesting on their die cuts, so that in this one you get 3 right here, as well as additional ones. You also get borders, you get greetings. So it's truly a complete package. Here is the foiled sheet, and here is the printed with a great big hug. And here we have some girls. This is called Little Princesses. So some ballerina, riding carousel, balloons, and having fun. Here is the foiled sheet. How pretty is that? And here is the printed sheet with that carousel. Now this is called Me to You. So they're playing on the piano, they're playing with paper, and just having a good time. And here is the foiled. Now the nice thing about the foiled is that you can cut it apart, so that this might be the inside of your card, or this might be for another card. And here is the printed. So all of the artwork corresponds perfectly. This is Daydreamers. We kind of have a Tom Sawyer look there, doing the piano, playing a flute, and doing a little Pied Piper with some puppies underneath. Here is the foiled sheet. How pretty is that? And here is the pattern sheet. And this is A Beautiful Life. How pretty. So just on the farm, at the beach, in the garden, and the foiling. Don't you just love that little overalls down on his shoulder? And here is the at the farm. So fun. And the last one is this. So this is called Sunny Days. So you can see them playing dress up on the swing. And again, the foiled and the solid printed. So that just works beautifully. You can make over 16 cards with this collection, but this is just the beginning. So to coordinate with all of that, as usual, Hunky Dory has the Adorable Scoreable. Now there are 30 sheets in here. There are 10 colors, and you're going to get 3 of each, and the colors are going to coordinate perfectly. So let me just fan these out so that you get an idea of the colors. These two are in are in A4 size. So there you go. Hopefully I have all 10 out there. Now, there's more. Okay, let me get going. Here are the inserts. Now the inserts, you may recall, are a ghosted back image. And in this case, you're going to get 16 designs. You're going to get 3 of each one. And just let me show them to you. So it's going to be the designs that you saw in the topper collection, where you get 1 of each of those toppers, but you get 16 of them. And you can see these. So again, it is the same artwork, but ghosted back. And you do have that extra area that you can use for matting, for the insides of your cards. These are just so very sweet. And Childhood Dreams is just a perfect title. How fun is that? That's what my granddaughter does at our house. She goes on the swings. And so they're on, sometimes on the left-hand side, sometimes on the right-hand side. And here we go. So all of those, and you're going to get 3 of each to make 48 of them. but I'm not finished. There's more. Now, they have parchment with this. And parchment, I absolutely love. This has 16 sheets. You're going to get 2 each of 8 designs. So let me just show you the designs. And being parchment, they are somewhat translucent. And this is a brown. I'm hoping you can see that. Here we have the gold. And we have a teal with flowers in it. We have a green with leaves on it. We have this with kind of a just a pattern in the background. Here we have some very pretty clouds and another floral. Again, this is the parchment. And I'm not quite done. There is also a little book of childhood dreams. Now this measures 4 3/4 inches square, and we'll get in closer so you can see this. There are 25 different designs, and you're going to get, I believe it's 6 of each one. So let me scoot this over and just start showing them to you. It is the artwork that you saw, but you get a larger version of it. So there's quite a bit. Now, a lot of times people like to use these and actually cut them out and layer with foam tape. So that's an option. Another option is to use them for lots of different projects. And what's nice is that you also get some cutouts. So doing granddaughter, fantastic day, happy birthday, just really lots of different reasons for it. These are single-sided. There's nothing on the back side, which makes perfect sense since there's so much artwork. And I think the original artwork, it looks to me like it might have been done in oils or acrylics, just really pretty. And just a few more. So again, you get that really close up on those sweet little faces. And the carousel, I think that's my favorite, except I do love that balloon. Of course, the swing is just really fun. Nice to see the kids together. You know, I'm almost done, but not quite. Now, what Hunky Dory did this time, which is really very different, is they did some cutting dies. And the cutting dies are like this. Let me turn it this way. This says, "You are wonderful." So you get the words, but you also get the shadow. So if you want to use that, you've got it. This one is Sweet Blessings. This is Make a Wish. Let me get that for you. And Enjoy Every Moment. They measure, let me see. I think it's about 5 inches long, but let me verify that. Yep, exactly, 5 inches long. So they're going to give you a really substantial greeting. And I'm almost done, but we have these. Childhood Dreams has 2 stamp sets. This is called Blooming Bouquet Silhouettes. And just like everything else, there are greetings on it, as well as the artwork. Just really pretty. This is a very large size, and there is another one called Gorgeous Garden Silhouettes. So you saw the flowers in with the children, and you have a chance to have them separately. So we've got 2 stamps. We have 4 cutting dies. We have the Childhood Dreams little book. We're going to have to back up to get all of this in. We have the parchment. We have the inserts. We have the adorable scoreable and Childhood Dreams topper collection. All of this from our friends at Hunky Dory.